think this has been a really great experience. It's been amazing to be here in nature and such a beautiful place in the surroundings with like-minded people. And Sarah has put together an amazing agenda that has really helped everyone cultivate some different ideas for their business.
Welcome to the very first Founders of the Grid Retreat here in Maribor, Slovenia. Look how it went.
Sharing common problems, different insights from their backgrounds, but really coming together, and there's a real strong sense of community and identity here. So this conference is far more than just learning an intellectual thing.
Never felt so at peace with the beauty and the scenery of Slovenia. I look forward to being at whatever next destination you choose. Maribor is gorgeous, and I'm ready to go back to work after this. Thank you so much for this amazing, grounding, beautiful experience.
Very nice to relate and be able to share ideas, improve yourself, and at the same time learn together. So yeah, I would like to take this opportunity also to invite everybody or whoever sees this and try to join the next one.